there, you guys. Mr. Lucas here. So, unfortunately, I cannot get my camera going, but that is fine. You do not need to see my face, you just need to see the screen. This video is meant to help you and guide you through the assignment we are doing. So, for today, we are going to be going more in depth about recycling, more of the do's and do nots of it. So, I want you to go to my website. And once you are here, go to the Assignments tab in the top right corner and click the Screencast assignment. Once you do that, you should get this page up and it should have two links here and it should have a little short paragraph on the bottom explaining on how to do the assignment. If this is not helpful, that's why you do have this video. To get started, I want you to click the top link and it will take you to the document. You're going to be answering this document, but since this is shared with everyone, you need to make a copy of it for your own to edit. I want you to click the File tab on the top left corner, and then click Make a Copy. Once you do that, this is going to be your title name, and I want you to leave everything except for the words Copy Of and delete those. Once you do that, then put your first and last name. For me, I put Mr. Lucas. And it should look like this, but instead of Mr. Lucas, it's obviously your first and last name. Once it looks good, click Make a Copy, and boom, looks the same, right? Not really. If you look in the top left corner, you should have your first and last name there. Once that is good, you are ready to move on to the next step, which is to watch the video. But how do you get to the video? Well, you're about to find out. Go to my website again, and you should be back at the screencast assignment page. And this is where the second link comes in. Go ahead and click it, and it will take you to this website. This website is the Leave No Trace website. And if you scroll down, you'll find the YouTube video. You're going to click play, and you're going to watch this. While you watch this video, I really want you to take some in-depth notes on about the video. And since it is a short video, have all the correct notes if you do it correctly. If you do not, you can always go ahead and go back to the video and rewatch it. But what I want you to do is after the video, go to the document and fill out the blank. These blanks are word for word from the video, so you will be fine. You can even have the video play in the background while you have this document in front of you, so you can fill it out easier. Once you are done filling out the blank, and watching the video, then I want you to summarize what you learned slash took away from the video, and then lastly, answer the question on the bottom. Once you are done filling out this document, I want you to email it to me, and if you do not know where to get my email, I made it simple. I put it on the page of the screencast assignment, and it will be the last part of the paragraph. You copy and paste that, put it into your mailbox, and bada bing, bada boom. Once you email it to me and I get it, I will go over it, review it, leave a few comments here and there, and then when we meet in class again, we will go over more in depth about it. If you have any questions, remember you can always feel free to email me. But that's basically it for this assignment. Just watch the video, fill in the blanks, answer the questions, and remember, most importantly, make sure you do put your name in the top left corner of your document. If you do not, I do not know whose document it is, and I cannot give you the credit for it. So please make sure you put your first and last name in it. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you enjoy this assignment. And overall, have fun. Peace out, y'all.